ALVABABY Wet Dry Bag, Waterproof Hanging Cloth by ALVABABY is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. ALVABABY Large Printed Wet Dry Bag. Wet bags are the perfect and eco-friendly solution for a variety of messes, from cloth diapers to wet swimsuits, to gym clothes, and every mess in between. Comes with double zippered pockets. Carry all your items in one bag. Great for anything you want to keep dry or wet. Features: double zippered pockets, with a handle. Material: outside polyester, inside leak-proof pull. Size: 63. 5 cm by 45. 72 cm, approx, 25 in by 18 in. Reusable, waterproof, machine washable. Lightweight, less than 185. 5G. Zipper style, more convenience to take. Also great for swimming suits or other wet items. Material: outside polyester, inside leak-proof pull. Size: 63. 5 cm by 45. 72 cm, approx, 25 in by 18 in. Comes with double zippered pockets. Carry all your items in one bag. Great for anything you want to keep dry or wet. Easy to put in and take out. Coming with a handle, you can hang it anywhere, like hooks, doorknobs, door hangers, towel rails. Carry your clean or dirty clothes, swimming suits, underwear, socks, or out. Keeping odor and moisture contained. The bag not only can be used at home, but in gym, fitness center, natatorium, as well as at the beach.